salute my brother Kelvin Boy. Came through. Awesome conversation. We're going to post the excerpts all on our social media. Send us messages, MX24TV, hashtags MX Live. Please stay interactive. And right now, Twitch.
My brother.
It's been long,
It's
man.
a long time.
I just see you on social media with the girls and parties. You be chilling. Oh, bro.
You say girls.
You be chilling, bro. Bro, we're just
die.
saying. That song is what? Almost 4 years
Yeah,
old?
4 years.
I was just telling Kelvin Boy about his music and how it doesn't feel old.
Yeah. Music never expires.
Good music.
Yeah. Okay.
Good music.
Okay.
Good music.
100%.
How do you feel, man, when, because you were surprised watching yourself.
Yeah.
How does it feel when you see your music, lasting the test of time, man?
It's crazy. It's crazy. I feel like art gets more beautiful over time. Like as time they go, as time they go by, they appreciate them more. Yeah. So sometimes I like the song at that moment, but with experience, I know I'm definitely going to like it more in the next 5 years.
Yeah. Do you what's the word? Is it nervous? Do you watch yourself? Your music videos and stuff. Do you listen to your music?
Oh yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Some artists don't like to listen to themselves.
It's not a lot of good music on the block, bro.
You see, good music.
I have to listen,
Charlie, a bit of context. Let's take it back, man. Just slightly, man. How did you even get into music, man?
So me, I've been singing since childhood, though. My mom used to sit me outside on the veranda,
Oh, your mom?
Yeah.
Wow.
Me, I'm a mommy's boy. I grew up all girls, so around
That's
girls.
That's why you get the girls. Like, you understand the girls.
Amen.
That's what I mean. You get them. You understand them. That's what I mean.
Yeah, so basically, they teach me how to sing. Where I started singing, I enter SHS. Where I finish, I'm at just day. I finish SS at day house 1 year. I make bored as
F.
Way easy. Mr. Easy started to do music, so I was listening to Mr. Easy, and I'm like, nah, bro, I've been singing, so let me just try and write something myself.
Yeah. So were you at all surprised, or was mom surprised when it really took off?
Mom wasn't surprised. She just wasn't liking the idea, because from kiddie time I did choir inside. I be choir director and all of that. Yeah. So she's not surprised, but she don't like the direction.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how does mommy feel now?
How she go do, Charlie? If I don't do music, what else I go do? Nothing there to do.
Yeah, like I said, bro, it took off. Doing your thing.
Yeah.
Crazy couple of years, and how big your name got.
Yeah.
How have you handled yourself, would you say, doing this big time for you? Has it been I know it hasn't been an easy journey, but are you at the point where you say you found a way to balance your personal life, your music, how you deal with the media and all these questions and stuff?
Yeah. My first, I think I used to, you see, as Kelvin Boy said earlier, your head is out there when you're starting. Yeah. But as you do it, you get to realize who you are and where you want to be. My dream has always been the same ever since I started. And I know reach where I envision for my head inside. So even if I don't like some things, because of the passion and where I want to get to, like me, I don't like interviews.
Well, it's not an interview, you're just catching a vibe.
Yeah. But then, it's because of the job and how you love it, you have to allow yourself go through phases, pick up some things, and then not stress yourself with a lot of things.
Yeah, but some of those phases have been difficult, bro.
100%.
Fact, your label, right?
Yeah.
And I know you to be a very quiet guy.
Yeah.
Twitch is, unless it's amongst his boys, we'll catch a vibe. But you're very introverted. Before we get to those issues, again, dealing with the fact that, you're quite reserved and being out there, how was that balance for you? Did you even find a balance? Have you found a balance?
Still finding a balance. Still finding a balance, because sometimes you the people out there, they forget you're human. And then me, when I blew up, I was very young. I was 17, 18 when I blew up. So I don't know, my expectations and how I had to examine life as a hustler, it diverted a bit. I was thinking too much about the entertainment and music more than my personal life. Okay. And then now I'm growing. I brought up bombing.
Yeah,
so,
we all, Charlie.
Yeah, so right now.
That's why my neck, my neck, they pay me. We all, Charlie, we do streets, all of us, bro. And in dealing with some of these things, the thing about life, right? I was talking to my brother this morning, right? And we're talking about life and health. And one thing I asked was, why does bad thing happen to good people? And I'm just saying this to say that, as quiet as Twitch is, as reserved, as focused, Twitch is always about the music.
100%.
Right? you've been through a lot.
Yeah.
Example with your label, Ground
Yeah.
Up, some things came up, and you were quiet about it for a very long time.
Yeah.
I just want to know, why were you quiet from your end?
At first, I was quiet because, you know me, I don't like to yarn, like you said. I don't really like chats plenty. And then it got to a point, I used to endure it, even though all my income, everything was with them.
Okay.
Me, I'm a hustler. On the streets, my boys be hustlers.
Yeah.
So I come join them at the hustle, and I do I'm small. I'm making a living, trying to learn how to be a man by myself, not by my music, which I'm supposed to be living off.
Okay.
I was just quiet about it because I just felt like at the end of the day, what are they fight for? That will be what are they want.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
And then I got to a point where even these people, they changed my name for songwriting and all of that. I didn't really see that.
Oh.
So recently where I see them, and then recently I'm back. Like I found myself and what I want to do. I've come to an understanding that I made a decision to make music. Nobody made it for me. So I have to let my fans also know what happened, why I've been on a break before I continue.
So that is why you took a break, because of those
all
difficult periods. You're not getting what you feel you deserve.
Yeah.
So during this break, you know, how were you dealing with these things
on
an emotional, quiet level?
I was in the dark space.
Oh man.
I was in the dark space. I didn't even know who loved me.
Oh, that bad?
Yeah, it was crazy.
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we see people around you, the fans,
Yeah.
and somebody watching this might say, nah, Twitch, I don't
Oh,
believe
no,
you.
I was in the dark space. I didn't even know who loved me. Like, I was even paranoid to the point where even if somebody shows me little love, I'm like, nah, they want to take advantage of me because I've been through it.
Okay.
And then I, you know, thanks be to God, meditation, my guys.
Oh, you meditate?
Yeah, I meditate.
Oh, that's
I live
crazy.
alone, so.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Nice one.
I find myself with so many
That's why
activities.
you're glowing, man. Yeah, you meditate, got the glow.
I didn't die. Oh. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Oh, but that's deep. And I was just, it's funny, you know, I was just telling Kelvin, bro, that for you to find yourself, no matter the situation, because you can be living really good and lose yourself.
Yeah.
You can be the most successful and lose yourself.
Yeah.
You can be down and out and lose yourself.
100%.
In any space you find yourself again, that has to be commended.
Yeah.
So, with all the things you've been through, are you out of that place with them? Have you severed relationships complete with them? With
I don't care about them, to be honest.
What about business-wise?
What is mine, when I'm ready to take it, I'll go. But what I'm looking for, they didn't give it to me. I'm continuing my journey. I'm looking for something.
Okay.
You get me? Something.
So it's still ongoing, you
Yeah.
say. Do you ever think and get to a place where, you know, you can forgive? And I'm asking this because fans, right? Fans see these relationships, but all the fans want to see the artists together. We look at G Unit, we want to see them together, right? We look at Cash Money. We just want, but there are things going on, and we respect these things. We look at Kendrick and J. Cole. 100%. We just want to see them together, right? Can it ever get back to that place as a fan who wants to see you just Kwesi and Ground Up and you together?
Ground Up is out of the convo, you know. Ground Up is just like a management. And then we be brothers. We developed like a brother relationship working together. So if like only me, I left there, like now I'm going to talk, so we can't see it, but you can now notice it's a problem with the management. So we are still brothers, but now everybody's just going through their own space. But we did together. Yesterday I did with my brothers. We did studio, still making music, you know.
I mean, proud of you, man.
Thank
you.
You.
It's like your artists are really learning and finding themselves, you know, and I'm proud of you. What advice would you want to give young artists? Any advice at all? Because you go into this young, like you said, 17.
Even if I say they won't take it, but I just need to say it for the saying sake, that before you get into business, put something down on paper, you know. Ghanaian culture is not really done. So people would see it as, oh, boy, no, but you are supposed to ask for it. So any artist, if somebody say they love you or invest in you, just make you put something on paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the advice.
Yeah.
So now we know why you took the break. You've told us about, you know, getting out of that break.
Yeah.
Now here, what space are you in, man? 2024. I felt the sigh. I felt it, bro. Like
greatness. And then even though we are swimming in a very confused space, the vision is still clear, you know. So right now we are out and then we are moving. Now we are in motion. So we can see we are in motion now. So we are doing. I won't come and say expect crazy things. No. We are on the road.
Yeah. Just as Kelvin said, you guys are just floating, right, with the waves.
Yeah, we're on the road.
Looking at where the music industry is now, is it better than where it was? I mean, not even just because of you, not just because of me or anybody else, but in terms of growth-wise, do you see the music industry genuinely growing from business to creativity and everything else?
Bro, me, I don't know any music industry, I swear you. Like, I won't lie, I don't know no music industry, because if there's supposed to be an industry, things for work, and then things know the work. Every artist out here in Ghana is doing their thing out of their own means. So where's the industry? Who are we under? Who is before us? Who is after us?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's deep.
Yeah, there's no industry.
Sheesh.
We are not under anyone. No one is after us. No one is
no
before us.
gatekeepers,
Everybody,
right?
no. Who's the
Because you hear
gatekeeper?
that thing a lot, oh, they're gatekeepers, if they don't open the gates.
No. No one is gatekeeping. We are all trying to hustle our way out. So it's like me, I'm a sole proprietor.
You own everything now.
Right now, yes.
Okay.
So I'm doing my thing, going my way. If I should blow and put Ghana on the map and y'all call it industry, the industry is going for it, you can call it that way. But I mean, I don't see no industry.
Because they might say that. Oh,
They
the
should.
industry held him down, man.
If they want to say
You
that,
know,
they
the
can. But I mean, I don't
industry
see
pro-
no.
which industry got you a Grammy. They might say that, bro. When you
I
do
only
it,
know media houses. Like, I know my family, MX.
Yeah.
I know media houses. I know people. Like, people I can hit up. Oh, bro, I have a new song out. Support
Uncle
me.
Sham. Okay.
Yeah. It's not like industry submit, blah, blah, upload, and we'll spread it to this department. No.
That would have been nice, though.
Yeah.
You know.
And it's out there.
Yeah,
it's
it is.
out there. Yeah.
It is.
So if Ghana with the talk industry, we dey play. There's no industry. We dey play.
Oh man. Okay. So all these things you've been through, you know, the ups, the downs, the label issues, you and your brothers. By the way, we're waiting for that new music from you and your brothers. When is that coming?
On the way.
When is that coming?
On the way.
I had Day here. Was it last year? I think I had Day here last year.
Yeah.
I was worried like, Day, where's the music?
On the way. You know, we started Kanko Worldwide and we dropped one single. And then we went on a break. We were supposed to drop like a album. But then we put it on a break.
Okay.
And then now we are working on solo projects.
Okay.
Definitely.
So it's
will
going to come.
back. Yeah.
How's Kwesi, man?
Kwesi's great.
Good to hear.
Yeah, Kwesi's great. Even Kwesi, they asked me, say, are they cool? So if I say they cool.
That's what it's about, man.
Yeah.
Everybody checking up on everybody.
Yeah.
Life is too short, bro.
Yeah.
It's too short.
Very.
But as I was saying, you know, all these things have led to music. And again, I was asking Kelvin, and he's like, this is a period where he's very happy, right? And it seems like you're in a very good headspace too.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Tell us about this new music, man.
So Suffer Gets is like basically me explaining what the little I have achieved so far. And then because of that, I don't need to fight and draw myself backward. I need to go forward. So I don't need to waste my time fighting for like something where I get before no be property, you know?
Yeah.
So you for always look on to the next, like look for something next. And I suffer get where I did right now. This normal talk with the talks, I suffer before I reach here.
I feel
You
you,
understand?
bro. I feel you. Me say, I suffer to get you here. So be
Yeah.
like we on the streets here. We did
die,
we did this street. This street with potholes. We there inside. Cause to get to it is another thing. Okay, so bro, I want us to listen to the music. When we get back, you know, a few more questions before you go. Enjoy this, guys. We'll be right back. How did you feel when you watched it? Like when the video was done.
Big shouts to Kwame Koda first of all. Yeah,
That's
I watched
fire,
the
bro.
video. That's why I felt alive again when I saw the video.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, I felt alive again. I'm like,
Because hearing the music is one thing. Now seeing it come to life like this, very Afrocentric,
I
very
felt like,
creative.
oh yeah, we are working, we are back.
Yeah, how long did it take a long time to shoot this? Was it 1 day, 2 days?
Oh, just 1 day.
Wow.
Yeah, but we used like the whole day.
Yeah. Oh, bro, that's Charlie.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Oh, thank you, bro.
So when you dropped this yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
So it's out on YouTube.
On YouTube. If you dig Ground Surf, you go see the
You
video.
go see how.
Yeah, Suffer Get.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. Before you go, I wanted to ask you this. Now, I was thinking to myself yesterday, right?
Yeah.
That if Jesus Christ lived in this social media era, like he would have been way more tortured and crucified. You know, Jesus Christ to me is incomparable.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And I was just having like personal thoughts. And what came to mind was you could do the most positive and sweetest thing for anybody. Tweet out the most beautiful thing. Like, have a good day.
Yeah.
Somebody will tell you, man.
Yeah.
And this is just to say, right, with everything you went through, there was a period where you were pouring your soul out on X, right, on Twitter.
Yeah.
And people were saying you're doing this because of the new music you have coming out.
Yeah.
when you see people, even not just in reference to that, but generally, right?
Yeah.
And that as an example, when you see people say these things, how does that make you feel? Do you get hurt? Are you in a place where you get hurt?
Me personally, naturally, my level of nonchalance is very high.
Okay.
So I don't care about a lot of things.
Okay.
So I don't know. Me, I just be reading them and laughing.
Yeah.
And you know why I laugh all the time? Because at the end of the day, whoever says anything negative, their account is fake. Yeah.
True. They never say that in person,
Yeah.
right?
If they could use like their personal accounts and all of that, I can maybe, oh, then this guy's actually making sense. Let me think about it. But then if it's a fake account, I think they're just doing it to grow followers. So, yeah.
I like
Social
that
media
answer.
games.
Yeah, social media games. And also acting. I nearly forgot. Tell us about that, man. How was that experience, bro?
Interesting, amazing. I didn't follow your footsteps, right? I didn't follow your footsteps.
I just did inside, you know?
But yeah, so, you know, back in the day, then we used to do some like Allo series, some ground up challenge series back in the day.
Yeah.
So then that would be like choreography.
Okay.
So recently, we did where Delay just called me, booked me, say she actually had this movie she wrote.
Wow.
And it's about music, and then she needed an artist to represent, and they thought I would be best for the role.
Crazy.
And I'm like,
okay.
you they pay me?
Cool. I like that. That's what it's about, man. Let me just add this.
And it's out in 2 days, though, actually.
Okay, it's out in 2 days.
Yeah, like today's 27th.
Yeah, today's 27th, right? 27th?
Yeah,
Can we check?
27th.
Yeah, 27th. Okay, so it's out in 2 days.
29th, yeah.
Man, shout out to Delay,
Yeah,
you know,
big
for
shout out to
recognizing.
Delay, yeah.
One thing I know about Delay, I've heard is, you know, she really appreciates young talents.
Yeah, very much.
And
very
I like
much.
the way now young talents who know their worth.
Yeah.
That's what it's about. That's the thing is, that's how industries will grow.
Only way.
That's the only
way records.
Because if we're not going to have a kumbaya and do it together, if everyone grows in their own space, it's gonna help all of us, man.
100%.
But what do you want to tell your fans, man? People support you and appreciate you.
All I want to say is, if you are truly my fan, like I appreciate you beyond words, because it's a whole lot of music saturated in the system now. Me personally, I haven't dropped in a minute, in a while. I wanted to drop a tape last year, and then I kept, you know, Yigi Yaga. Yeah, but still, the fans are still waiting, and then they make me feel like, this is the purpose of mine living on this earth. Because at the end of the day, if I'm sad and I feel like no one loves me, every day, still till date, someone is asking me, bro, when are you dropping some new music? And then I'm like, oh yeah, that shit be very, like, touching. So all I can say is I appreciate them. New music coming after this. New music is
Very
out.
soon.
Yeah, very soon. Yeah, and it's crazy. Me and Guilty Beats, we have like a joint project coming. Yeah. So now the gifts be coming like.
Oh, that'll be wild, bro.
Tolo beef way, Tolo beef.
And Kango too?
Yeah.
Worldwide?
Yeah, for sure.
Bro, you're working
For
this
sure,
year.
yeah.
No sleep this year.
Oh no, not
No
at all.
sleep,
We are
not
back.
at all.
We are
you
back.
know they sleep already, so now they listen. Always they Snapchat. You know? Bro, thank you so much.
I
man.
appreciate you, my
I'm
brother.
So proud of
I appreciate
man.
you, Charlie.
What
You
guys
come a
are
long
doing.
way. Oh.
Yeah, bro,
You
we
come
there
a long
inside.
way.
We know the year, but we there inside. We there inside. You know the
We
year.
dey follow Anna. We dey follow Anna.
So before you do leave, also the music is on all platforms.
Everywhere.
People can find it,
Suffragette
can buy it.
everywhere.
Okay,
Everywhere.
Suffragette.
Suffragette.
Please support my brother.
Yeah.
You know, following his dreams, and
Yeah.
it's a testament. You know that whatever you go through, there's that light at the end of the tunnel. But you have to,
100%.
you know, chase that light. You have to, you know, pursue, and that's how you're going to actually, you know, get that light.
100%.
I'm very proud of this guy. We're going to keep this song on rotation. I do have to let you go, and if you do Suffragette, it will happen.
On
Send it.
God.